Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the VULCAN Report. This is an intraday report for trading on Tuesday, September the 6th, 2016. And I do hope that everyone had a wonderful holiday weekend. But here we are. It's time to get back to work, so let's dive in. All right, this right here, looking at ticker symbol AG. Yes, we're back into the mining shares. You can see this one came down for a couple of weeks, and now today it's catching a bid. Currently up almost a buck, and it's doing good here at $13.31. And last week we closed at $12.37. So it's getting quite a run. You can see the momentum is pointing up. Still an overall negative pulse wave, but it's looking all right. So basically at this point, shorts are just taking some profit off the table. We'll know more if the market can get above $14.15. That will put an end to the downtrend and start the recovery back up to $18. So this is going to be one to watch. And here's JNUG. Holla at your boy. JNUG is showing off today. Up over $3, and it is just on fire. Nice gap up on the open here. This is pretty strong. If it can get above 28.05, then this thing is on fire. It's already technically put it into the downtrend at the current price level, and 31.87 resistance is in play. So this one's trying to turn from a negative to a positive pulse wave. Momentum's pointing higher. So this could be rather interesting to see what happens. So definitely, probably, more than likely, may want to do a little bit of scaling in this one. So check your updates at the end of the day on where to move your stops, or if you're going to take profit, where to re-enter the market. So just be on the lookout for that update this evening for the Black Ops traders in the room. And on the opposite end of things, the JDST shorts are coming into fruition, looking really nice. Look at this. Nice way to capture the entire daily bar. Just keep moving your stop and you'll be fine. That's the way you play it. Right now, currently, stop is on this one probably going to be, I'll post it in the room. All right, looking at this one, looking at Nugget, you can see Nugget is exploding into the Kumo cloud here, and it has support currently at 2160. And as you know the rule, when you're in the Kumo cloud of death, anything goes. Got to be careful. Trail the position and or look to take some profit off of the table and live to trade another day. Need to wipe some dust off the table too. Look at this one. Now the bottom of this Kumo cloud is around 36.88. And currently this market is at 29.13. Is this the bottom that we put in? And it's going to reverse from here and hit its head and fall back down at the bottom of the Kumo cloud, which is about $5 run, or is it going to continue to go lower? That is the question. GLD, putting a lot of money in your pocket today. As you can see, this right now is up to currently $2.20. Hit a high today of 129.08. Currently trading at 128.77. What else needs to be said? There's your gold. Likewise, here's your SLV. Looking at your silver, same thing. Silver hit a high today of 1912 on this SLV. Currently it's at 1902. It's doing really hot. Locked in bull market right now. Looking very good. All right, looking at the silver mining shares, same thing. Look at that. We're jumping and skipping. This is looking fantastic. Has a little bit more ways to go before it gets up to the bottom of the Kumo cloud, but that's at $50 a share. Not bad. Not bad at all. And looking at the junior silver miners, it's already inside of the cumulative cloud of death at $18 a share. Still looking good though, but as you know the rules, and anything can happen inside of this cloud. Like to see the thing continue, but currently trend line support is at 1720, so we'll have to wait and see. All right, looking at the GDX, it's already inside the Kumo cloud as well, and your support is at 2794. So we'll have to watch and see. Can we break 29 and get to 30? Or we're going to test support. We've got to wait and see, but nice run so far. What is up with the US dollar index? Well, we're in free fall. Hit a low today of 94.78, and we're right there, teeter-tottering off the lows, sitting right there at the low basically, and you're in a negative pulse wave, and you got downside momentum, and you're locking in. This is not good. The dollar is down over a full point today, a penny. That is huge. Huge, 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 huge. That's like 104 pips. All right, so what are they going to do? The Fed is back in the corner. The back is fully extended in the corner. What are you going to do? The bully is pounding on you. You're in the corner. You can't run anywhere. And you're absorbing the blows to the body. The punches hurt. The ribs are feeling a little sore. The jaw is feeling disrespected. The chest is caving in. What are you going to do? Fed, you know you got to intervene. You know you watch my videos. I'm sure as soon as after I upload this video, the dollar will reverse all of this and be up 2 pennies. Be back at 96. You need to do something because this thing is not looking good. A break below 93 would be very, 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 very dangerous and not good. So, what's the Fed going to do? I don't know. All right, the Nikkei. Nikkei's acting a little interesting here. Here we are testing this trend line support. Momentum's trying to lock in something bearish here. Let's look at the big picture. Let's see what's really going on. See if we can figure something out. Flags on top of flags inside of flags. That's what you see sitting up here. A break below here would not be good. Big picture though, you're still kind of like in this weird range. Very weird range. Still in a trade range, but still not good. And it's below the Kumo cloud. Not good. It's just not good. It's in a positive pulse wave position. It could explode out of here and get even above 18, but sometimes the Nikkei is the leader. So I don't know if this is a sign of bearishness to come. Look at this straight down. That's not good. We've been just falling in the Nikkei. You know, lower highs. I don't know. Got to watch this one. The Dow is just hanging out. It hasn't moved. It's not doing nothing. The Dow is not giving you nothing to play with for weeks now. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks in a row. Almost 2 months, basically, of absolutely nothing. No price action. No price discovery. There's no volatility in the Dow whatsoever. This is a whack chart. This is crazy. This is a weekly chart. This is a long-term trend chart, and it's just hanging. It's just strong. It's not going up or down. It's just fully extending out. The longer you extend out like this, the weaker you get. All right? Picture a muscle man, a dude who works out, body builds, all right? Muscles bulging. His back is looking nice. He got his quads looking good. got a six-pack, abs. He's powerful, right? But even he will struggle holding an empty glass with his arms extended. How long do you think he will hold that glass before that glass smashes to the ground? That's the question. This here is the big muscle man with his arms extended. Here's the little empty glass of water. How strong are you? Are you strong enough to hold this empty glass of water, and for how long? Eventually the glass is going to fall and shatter to the ground. The longer you hold this extension, that empty glass becomes heavy. It's like holding a brick, then it's like holding a cement cylinder block, then it's like trying to balance a car on your in one hand. It can't be done. You're gonna break. So that's just what I'm saying. So this is not looking good. Looks like a correction's about to happen because it's just an extension thing. It's like keeping something levitated, indefinitely. Can't be done. Charts don't look like this. This is not normal. You got to have some, even look at the last one. You had volatility here. You had price discovery here. You had up and down bars, and you have some significant ranges in here too, and you had positive as well as negative post waving. Here you have nothing. You have absolutely nothing. In a healthy bull market, this right here shouldn't look like this. No, you don't consolidate like this unless you're in the Kumo cloud. So this is artificial. This is manufactured. This is what manipulation looks like. Straight up. Now see, the NASDAQ has a different picture. See, it's been trending. It pulse waved up several weeks in a row. Now it's extending a little bit. Can't do that. That's not a normal occurrence. It's not normal. Show me on the chart where you see this pattern. You don't. That's a manipulation pattern. Look at this. Come on. I can go back and show you summertime charts of just about any market, stock, commodity, futures, forex, don't matter, even Bitcoin, and it don't look like that. See, you don't see it. Look, you don't see it. Where is it? Show me. You're not seeing it. It doesn't happen. Normal market activity is price discovery and volatility of some sort. Even when a market's not trending and consolidates, there's still some type of price discovery. Filled with negative pulse waving. Even here, you have negative pulse waving, positive pulse waving. There's something happening. It's moving. It's moving. See, it's trending. Look, it's moving. It's ebbing and flowing. It's alive. Okay, it's a living organism. There it is. Okay, buyers and sellers banging it out, trying to realize and discover price. Where's the price headed? Where's the price headed? Where it has to do something, right? Look at that. See? You see what the normal price action looks like? And then we get to the manipulated section, and we're here. I'm telling you, something is afoul. Even your soybeans is rather interesting. I don't care about crop reports. I don't care about acreage. I don't care about none of that jazz. Look at the market. It showed you something here, like a roller coaster, then it crashes back down. Gives it all back. Ran from the $9 a bushel level all the way up to the $12 bushel level and then crashed right back down. I'd rather see this than to see the manipulated, extended muscle man holding an empty glass of water. All right, that's just ridiculous. Okay, so just wanted to show you that. All right, this is your soybeans. They normally share the same field as wheat. Not that really matters, but this is what it is. Okay, so makes you think what's really going on. All right, here's your crude oil. All right, crude oil has been ebbing and flowing. Positive pulse waves back here. Then it went negative for a little bit. Dip. Now we broke out again. Positive pulse waving now. So it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Right now at the top of the Kumo cloud, so it could explode to 50 again. Can it hold it though? Can it break through 50 this time? That's the question. Or is it going to psych everybody out and break through the floor and break the support of 39? Those are the questions. we have questions, the markets eventually will give us answers. So with that said, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back.